Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And today we are going to discuss some questions based on the simplification integration done by the simplification. In my last video I have told you about this method, how to integrate the function after some simplification, and there you have learned that how important this step is, because in exam we don't know that integration by substitution will be followed, integration by simplification or inverse integration or whatever is there. It all depends on the practice. Okay, so let's talk about some important questions what frequently you can see in your various examinations. Okay, and one of the question is, before discussing the question, see, this is all the formula what I told you in my last video also. This is all formula of integration at one place. Okay, and definitely this is the indefinite integration formula. So let's see how to use all these formula here in this question. Question is cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Now here you see, when we see cos 2x, then four formulae are there which comes in our mind. And what are those four formulae for cos 2x? Cos 2x has four formulae. One is cos square x minus sin square x. Another can be 2 cos square x minus 1. Third one can be 1 minus 2 sin square x. And the last one can be 1 minus tan square x over 1 plus tan square x. Okay, now what formula you have to use for cos, that depends on the practice, as well as you will get the hint with some other expressions in the question. For example, here you see denominator is written in terms of cos only. It means you will apply the formula for cos 2x where you deal with only cos. So no doubt we are talking about this second formula, yes? So just apply it here. So cos 2x can be written as, integration will remain as it is, 2 cos square x minus 1, then minus, same formula for cos 2 alpha also. So this is 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by same expression cos x minus cos alpha. Now we have to simplify numerator. Okay, so this will be, you see, write the like terms together, 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square alpha. Now plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled out. Why plus 1 I am saying? Because this is negative and this also negative, so both will become plus, so it will be cancelled out. Okay, now denominator will be same, cos x minus cos alpha. Now what simplification we can do in the numerator? We can take 2 common, so since it is a constant, so we can take it outside the integration sign. And for the remaining terms you will get cos square x minus cos square alpha, so we can apply the identity of a square minus b square, and which will be cos x plus cos alpha times cos x minus cos alpha. Okay, over this is cos x minus cos alpha. Now you can see cos x minus cos alpha up and down same, so this is cancelled out. So it will be, what is left here? Integration of cos x plus cos alpha, and now we can integrate it easily. So integration of cos x will be sin x. Okay, yesterday I told you, in the last video I told you about this. And integration of cos alpha. Integration of cos alpha means what it will be with respect to x? Yes. Did you say sin alpha? No, it is wrong. Because of this part of the question, this question becomes very important, and normally students do the mistake here. They by mistake they write integration of cos alpha with respect to x is sin alpha. But my dear students, understand, here it is alpha which is taken as a constant, and we are integrating with respect to x. So its integration will be x times cos alpha. For example, if you integrate 5, then what will be the integration of 5? It will be 5x. Yes, so 5 will remain same and x will be multiplied. So same here, cos alpha is a constant, so its integration will be x cos alpha, and no doubt you will write plus c also, where c is the constant of integration. Okay, so this will be the answer. Another question we can see, this question is very important. 1 over sin x minus alpha a into sin x minus b. Now you can have 3 more questions like this. You can have 1 over cos x minus a times cos x minus b, or you can have 1 over sine x minus a times cos x minus b. Okay, so my aim to represent this expression is to tell you that you can have three types of question in this one, where both the terms of sine, where both the terms are of cos, or one is sine and another is cos. Okay, so there are three questions. So what you will remember here, it's starting, you will have to remember that how you are going to start the question. So if both the terms are of sine or both the terms are of cos, then you will divide and multiply by the expression sine a minus b. Okay, sine a minus b. Why we are going to do this, why we are going this thing, why we are doing this thing, this you will understand after this, just after one step. X minus a times sine x minus b. Okay, now try to understand this thing. This is sine a minus b. Why I have written this expression outside the integration sign? Because it doesn't has any variable, so it is a constant, and constant can be taken out. So this is 1 over sine a minus b times integration of, now here what we can do, we have to adjust the angle. How? The first angle, it should be x minus b minus x minus a. Now you can ask that how do you know that we have to write like this? See, just we are trying to make it similar to the angle written in the denominator, nothing else. So denominator's angle are x minus a and x minus b. So numerator, if you solve this numerator, if you simplify this bracket, you will get a minus b. Yes or no? Okay. So for better understanding, you must solve this question yourself at least twice. Okay. Denominator same to same, sine of x minus a times sine of x minus b. Okay. Now, why I have taken sine a minus b, why I have told you that you will take sine a minus b numerator and denominator when both the terms are of sine or both the terms are of cos. Now here is the reason. Why? Because if you apply the formula of sine x minus y, so what is the formula of sine x minus y? It is sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. This is the reason. Okay, because in sine you will get one term of sine, another term of cos, and in denominator you can see both the terms are of sine. So one thing will be cancelled out and one will get the answer. Okay, now make them separate, so I don't have that much space, or maybe you can take the screenshot and then I'll write again on this screen. Okay, see, if you will make it separate, then one time here sine x minus b will be cancelled out after separation. Okay, after writing separately, only then sine x minus b will cancelled out, and cos x minus a over sine x minus a will be equal to cot x minus a minus, and another time here when you will separate with the second term, then sine x minus a will be cancelled out and you will get cos x minus b upon sine x minus b, means cot x minus b dx. Okay, and what will be its integration? If you remember the formula, integration of cot x is log of sine x. So it will be, I am writing here up, 1 over sine x minus a is times cot of x minus a integration, it will be log of sine x minus a minus log of sine x minus b. And what else you can do here? If required, you can apply the formula of log a minus log b. And what is that formula, log a minus log b? It is log a upon b. So what answer you can get here? Your final answer can be, it depends on the question what you have to prove, or if you have to find the answer only, then this can also be the answer, or you can write 1 over sine, it is not x minus a, it is a minus b. Okay, see my dear students, yeah, in my other videos I have told you that whenever you are writing one solution, then keep an eye on the previous step also. See how did I find my mistake here? Okay, otherwise it would have gone wrong and your marks will be deducted. So keep an eye on the last step also. Okay, so a minus b times, this is log of A upon B. Okay, and as I have told you in the last video also, that whenever you are writing log, you must make modulus so that it can be positive, and then plus C. This is the answer. Okay, so see how easily, I will not say easily, I'm sorry for that, but how effectively you can do the questions if you remember the formulae. And of course there some luck is also required for such questions. So if you remember the starting, then I'm sure questions will be easy for you with the formulae also. So if you like my video, then please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.